Hi friends, Ellen of the Hip Stitch family made up these kits for this portable design wall. Riley Blake Fabrics has provided a video how-to, the link is below, to make this. Get it open. So while we're all hunkering down in isolation, some of us have more family at home than usual, so our sewing space might be a little more cramped. I'll turn this around. This will help with that. We made the extended size version. See how it folds out to hold more quilt blocks? And even here we put some fabric scraps down just to show you how well it works. Everything stays in place. The kits are on our website, hipstitchabq.com. It's called Portable Design Wall Kit. We have 4 different versions of them. We have this purple pink floral. We have a blue floral. We have a yellow, kind of a French Provence theme. And we have an adorable, whimsical sock monkey with a red background. So when you order, just specify in the notes which one you want or give us a call and let us know. It's called Portable Design Wall Kit on our website, hipstitchabq.com. Stay well, folks.